Hello, I'm going to be doing a updated Christmas collection. Well, I've never done one of these, but I'm just going to call it an updated Christmas collection of my Warrior Cats books because it's now 2018. This was supposed to come out like the day after Christmas, but I was a bit busy, then I forgot, and then I got really sick. So I couldn't do it, and now I'm remaking it because I thought I could do a bit better. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm just gonna go and just a random order really. So there's Blue Stars Prophecy, and I got this last year. So Christmas 2018. I mean 16. That's Blue Stars Prophecy. And out of the super editions I have, this is the only one I've read, like fully read. I thought it was really good. I'm not gonna spoil it for anybody, but yeah, I'd recommend reading it. Then A Yellow Flying Secret, which I got this year, so Christmas 2017. I think you kind of get it, but yeah. So here we go, and I haven't read it. I've just started, but yeah, I'm not gonna start reading it until I kind of get onto the third series, I think, or finish the second because I haven't finished that yet. So I really love the cover. This is my favorite out of the I think all the super editions. But yeah, then Crooked Stars Promise. It's also a really beautiful cover, but the background isn't as nice. So yeah, but I love him there. I love this. That's the super editions. Then the mangas. I have The Rise of Scourge, standalone, and some people call it Scourge, I think, but I'm pretty sure it's actually Scourge, but you know, as Mr. Lizard Wizard said, tomato, and it doesn't really matter. But I just call it Scourge, so don't like get annoyed in the comments because you're like, oh, you're saying it wrong. Yeah. Then the Gray Stripe series, which is I have read this. I've read all my mangas. So The Lost Warrior, Warrior's Refuge, which is my favorite out of the three covers of the series. I really like that. So Warrior's Refuge and Warrior's Return. And I liked the series. I thought it was pretty cute. Sorry if I seem like I'm rushing. I'm really not. I just making sure I don't like run out of time on my phone because that's what I'm recording it with. Into the Wild. So this is the fourth series in the box set. New covers. I don't have any of the old covers for the series, really. So Into the Wild, Fire and Ice, Forest of Secrets, Rising Storm, which is probably my favorite book out of the series, or The Darkest Hour, and I love this cover. A Dangerous Path, and The Darkest Hour. Let's put these away. Alright, so then to the next series, so The New Prophecy, Midnight, Moonrise, there. So Moonrise, Dawn, and then Starlight, which I'm reading. I've made like no effort and I feel really bad. Twilight and Sunset. So I got these last year, so 2 years ago now. 2016, and these I got 2015, which seems like forever ago. It's really weird saying that because it's 2018. You know, it doesn't really feel like it to me. I'm not sure about you. Like, you might be watching this like 2020 or something. But yeah, it feels weird to say. Then we have the third series, which I got this year. And one second. Out of all the books I have, I think The Sight is when I'm getting these out. I'll tell you. I think The Sight is my least favorite cover. Some of you might love it. I just really don't like it. Alright, so. Yeah, sorry. I just don't have these anywhere. Okay. So The Sight, which is a pretty chunky book, by the looks of it anyways. So yeah, it's my least favorite one, but I still love it. So that's J Feather, or J Kit, sorry, if that spoils it or anything. Dark River, which I like a lot. Then Outcast, which I love the back of. Then have Eclipse, which I find interesting because in the fourth book of the first series, it's also red. So I just find that interesting. The backs of the last four are really nice. Long Shadows, which is my second favorite cover of the series, and then Sunrise, which is my favorite. Right, so that's all my books. Sorry about not updating it as soon as I could. I was a bit sick, as I said, and yeah. So, bye, and I'll see you next time I make a video. And if you like this video, like, and please subscribe. Also comment down what you want me to do next, and blah, 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 blah. And bye.